Welcome back. Once you begin to get members, you can interact with them inside of the community element. You'll see that tab available. What you can do is you can write in a message here in this area. And what you're going to notice is that you have a WYSIWYG editor with attachments, links, videos, a poll, an action, emojis, GIFs, and then you can categorize based on the elements that you have set up. You're going to write in your message. Now, when you type in your message, you're going to want to make sure that you have a title. You're going to want to make sure that you have selected a category. What you can also do is you can notify all of your members by email by taking this button. What you can then do is you can post your message. You will then be asked to confirm. You will then confirm, and your message will then be available. Your group member will then have a notification. They'll be able to see their notification, and they'll see that the admin has posted a new message. They'll then be able to click inside of that notification to see the actual message, and they will then be able to reply. They will then type in their reply, and they will then be able to comment. Now, what you'll notice then is that the individual has some of the elements available to them in order to interact with your comment. They can then indicate if they want to watch for a reply. They will then be able to comment, and then there will be a threaded discussion. In that discussion, you will then see a notification. You will then see the reply that will then be available. What you can then do is you can either reply to the individual or you can indicate your approval. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.